Pandit comes of the Vijayanagar. He had the masters all the scriptures and had to the administrations and win the administrations of the learned man all over India. He had come to the challenge the Pandits in the court of the King Krishna Yadav Raya to face him in a debate. In the scholars Vijayanagars, where the reluctants to the face is the Pandit, they felt they were no the match to a Pandit scholarships. Put the king who is the anyone, they refused to accept the challenges. One of them says, "Let us speak to the Raman. Surely he will find a solution." The Pandit called on the Raman and they explained the situations. Raman assures them that it is the one take to the challenges. For one day we must accept of the chief Pandit, he says. The other Pandits ready to the agree to on there. Accept the all the challenges. One upsets. Let's to the speak to the Raman surely if the find a solutions. The Pandit called as the Raman and they explain the situations. Raman assures them that the court taken on the challenges. For one day you must accept me as the chief Pandit, he said. The other Pandits really agreed. The next day the Pandits carried Raman in a platycutance to the place hall. Raman and the challengers sat facing each other. Two Pandits carrying the hugs bundles wrapped in the sequins cloth enters that the hall. The place the bundles next to the Raman and the ball to him. Raman placed his the hand on the bundle next to him. We can begin to the debates discussing the merits to the Tila, Kaksha, Manishas and the Bandhana. In the other Pandit has to be the back. He had read the thousands of the scholarly works in the Sanskrit, but he had never the heart to the work mentioned by the Raman. He had not even to the read the anything about how could the discussing read anything about its could has the discussing to the merits of the work. The Pandit concept of defects the quiets led the places. The king was the curious to know what great work Raman has the referred to. Raman removed the skill cloth, revealing a hug bundle to the sticks tied to a stick rope. The king forward and the asked Raman to explain. Maharaj, till it is the mustard, Kashtata it is the stick. Tilakshta means sticks a mustard plants, explains the Raman. The Raman was the courage known as the great work Raman has referred to. Thank you.